Imagine a game of pool, but not as you know it. Picture a setting where the traditional rules and tables are left behind. Forget the familiar rectangular table with 6 pockets. We're about to explore something entirely different. We're stepping into the fascinating world of elliptical pool tables. These tables are not just a novelty, they bring a whole new dynamic to the game. This is no ordinary pool table. Its unique shape challenges players in unexpected ways. It's shaped like an ellipse, a kind of stretched out circle. This shape isn't just for aesthetics, it fundamentally changes how the game is played. The elliptical pool table holds a secret that makes every shot a calculated challenge. It has 2 special points called foci. These points are crucial to mastering the game. Hit a ball from one focus, and it will always, without fail, end up in the pocket at the other focus. This predictable path is what makes the game so intriguing. This incredible phenomenon is not magic, but math in action. The principles of geometry and physics come together to create this unique experience. The shape of the ellipse with its unique geometry makes this wonder possible. Every curve and angle is designed with precision. Every time the ball hits the edge of the table, it bounces off at a specific angle. This angle is not random but a result of the table's elliptical design. This angle ensures the ball always travels towards the other focus. The game of pool has never been this mathematically fascinating. The secret lies in the reflective properties of an ellipse. This unique shape has fascinated scientists and mathematicians for centuries. Imagine shining a flashlight at the edge of an ellipse. The way the light behaves is nothing short of magical. The light beam doesn't bounce off randomly, instead it follows a very specific path, instead it bounces off at a precise angle. This precision is what makes ellipses so intriguing. This angle is always the same, no matter where the light hits the edge. It's a consistent and predictable behavior. This is the law of reflection in action. It's a fundamental principle in physics. The angle at which something hits a surface, known as the angle of incidence, is always equal to the angle at which it bounces off, called the angle of reflection. This principle is universal. In an ellipse, this law of reflection takes on a special significance. The unique curvature of the ellipse enhances this effect. Due to the ellipse's unique shape, the angles of incidence and reflection always direct the light, or a rolling ball, to the other focus. This creates a fascinating interplay of light and geometry. This property is what makes the elliptical pool table so fascinating. It's a perfect demonstration of the magic of ellipses in a fun and engaging way. The concept of mathematical billiards goes beyond a game of pool. Scientists use it to understand the movement of particles. Imagine a particle bouncing around inside a container. The particle is our pool ball, and the container's walls are the edges of the pool table. By studying how the particle, or pool ball, moves and rebounds, scientists can learn about its behavior and properties. Mathematical billiards helps us visualize and study complex systems in physics, astronomy, and other fields. It allows us to simplify complex problems and understand the underlying principles. In theory, any shot from one focus should send the ball into the other pocket. This is due to the unique properties of an ellipse, where the sum of the distances from any point on the ellipse to the 2 foci is constant. But in reality, things are a bit more challenging. The perfect shot is often elusive. Friction from the table surface, imperfections in the ellipse's shape, and even the spin of the ball can affect the outcome. These factors introduce a level of unpredictability that can make the game more complex. The force you hit the ball with is crucial. It's not just about aiming, it's about controlling the power behind your shot. Too hard, and the ball might overshoot the pocket. The energy needs to be just enough to reach the target without excessive speed. Too soft, and it might not make it at all. The ball could lose momentum and stop short of the pocket. It's like the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. You need to find the balance that is just right. You need the force to be just right. Achieving this balance is key to mastering the elliptical pool table. For shots that don't start at the focus, the key is to aim as if you were hitting from the focus. This requires a good understanding of the table's geometry. Imagine a line connecting your ball, the target pocket, and the nearest focus. Visualizing this line can help you aim more accurately. Aim your shot along that line, and you'll increase your chances of sinking the ball. With practice, you'll get better at predicting the ball's path and mastering the game.